In today's video, I'll show you a trending idea that's going viral on YouTube: hybrid animals. These videos aren't just popular, they can also help you grow your subscribers quickly. And the best part is I'll teach you how to make them using free AI. So don't miss any part of the video because I'll explain every step in detail. And one more thing, if you want to get your channel monetized, make sure to watch till the end. So first, to get ideas like these, I'll go to GPT and give it this prompt: give me some unique hybrid animal ideas. As you can see, it gave us 10 ideas like a corgi and shark, owl and elephant, snake and horse, flamingo and gorilla. And we can ask it for even more if you want. So now to create these hybrid animals, we need two types of images. One where both animals are standing face to face and another where they merge into one. So to generate these images, we obviously need prompts. So for that, I'll give GPT this prompt. Now to generate a dash, give me two prompts, one where both animals are standing face to face and another where they merge into one. So now in this dash, we'll add the description for any hybrid animal we want to create. For example, if I want to create a flamingo gorilla hybrid, I'll copy and paste the description of the flamingo gorilla here and press enter. So you can see that GPT has provided us with two prompts, one where the flamingo and gorilla are standing face to face and another where they merge into a single creature. So first we need to generate the images. You can generate these images from anywhere. For example, today I'll use Meta AI. So here I'll enter the first prompt and generate my images. So as you can see, our first image has been generated. If you don't like it, you can always regenerate it. Similarly, we'll generate the second prompt. And I've made a few generations, and afterwards I'll download the images that I like the most. So now in the next step, to merge these two images and create a video, I'll use Kyber AI. After logging in, you'll see an interface with several tools. Today I'm using the Luma Video tool because here we can merge two images and generate a video. So on the start keyframe, we'll add a first image, and on the end keyframe, we'll add the second image. And from here, we can also change the aspect ratio of the video. These types of video are usually in 9:16 ratio. So we'll select that, add both images and generate the video. So now the video is ready, you can watch it. And if you want to regenerate it, you can also do it so. Otherwise, we'll just download from here. So now let's move to the editing tool where we can merge all these elements and create a video. So in the editing tool, we need to import our image and generated video. So first we'll set the image and then we'll add the video. And after that, we'll add some effects and add a title at the top. And to monetize these types of channels, I'll also add a voiceover. So I've already generated a voiceover using ElevenLabs, so I'll add that as well. So finally, we'll add some good background music and sound effects. So let's check how the video looks now.
What if flamingo and gorilla join together as one?
So this was the basic method for creating such videos. The process I just showed you in the same for all the ideas I'm going to share with you. I used GPT to get the ideas, then created prompts to generate images, and finally used the same tool to convert those images into videos. So my first idea, which is currently going viral, is hybrid animals. So I've already shown you an example of that, but here's another one I want to share: the combination of an elephant and a unicorn.
What if an elephant and unicorn join together as one?
So I followed the same process for this, generated the images and then created a video in the same way. And next, my second idea is merging a superhero with an animal. For this, I choose Superman and a tiger.
What if Superman and a tiger join together as one?
I generated their images, merged them and created a video with the result. And finally, my third idea involves merging two superheroes into one. For this, I used Captain America and Iron Man, created the images and generated a video of them combined into one superhero.
What if Captain America and Iron Man join together as one?
Remember, this method works for all the ideas you want to explore. And after that, I came up with another idea which involves merging fruits or any kind of food items into one. GPT suggested many such ideas, and for now, I created a hybrid fruit by merging an apple and a watermelon.
What if apple and a watermelon join together as one?
And then I tried another idea, merging heroes and villains from famous movies into one character. For this, I choose Harry Potter and Voldemort and merge them into the one character.
What if Harry Potter and Voldemort join together as one?
However, you can see that this wasn't created using Luma Labs. In these types of videos, it's not always easy to show the merging process clearly. Some videos only use images, but the focus is on animating the image, not necessarily merging them in a way that would be visible in a video. For instance, we have two images where one shows both characters merged into one. We can animate just the second image, the one showing the merged character. I use Meta AI to animate it because they offer an amazing feature that lets you both create and animate the images all in one place. So that was our video for today. You saw how by following simple steps and using free AI tools, we can create hybrid animal videos. If you like this idea and want to make more viral and creative content for your channel, stay connected with my channel. See you in the next video with a new and exciting idea. Until then, keep creating and stay awesome.